Hi guys, welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk, and I'm going to go ahead and show you this here unit right now. It's a 242 RBS, it's a 2015, means it's a rear bathroom and it has a little slide out. It's a Coachmen Freedom Express. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory. It's very clean, it is very nice, and it has a lot of room inside. It's more of a couple's coach, and I'll show you why in just a minute inside. Out here's where you have your battery storage and your spare tire. You have your little slide out on this side, and down the way here you also do have an outdoor shower on this unit. It does have a power tongue jack. I do like those. So as you kind of make our way around the coach, you still have your front bay. Like the front bay storage, it is nice and big in there. This is a fairly new piece of inventory as far as the age. It's only 2015. You have your awning, full awning. It's going to have power awning on it. It's going to have lend a hand. It is a double entry coach. There's a front door kind of right into the bedroom, and this would be the back door kind of into the back area where I'll show you a pantry and stuff inside. There's nothing really out back on this. Some of your hookups are back here, and then we want to go ahead and check out how the inside looks real fast. So as you make your way in here, I want to show you this cabinet here in the back. Right to the left at the back of the coach, big top here, storage area. Closet, hang your coats, take off your shoes back here. The cool thing about this is, if you look in that cabinet right there on that side, it's accessible into here, which is the bathroom. So you can put towels, you have that whole storage right there. You have a little extra space for your towels and stuff, not just in the bathroom, because that's one thing a lot of trailers don't have, is a lot of storage in your bathroom for your towels, or a change of clothes, or however you want to work that. Nice round shower enclosure, toilet, your sink, your vanity, it's all there. You have your controls here as you make your way around. The kitchen and the couch are in your slide out right here. This is the whole wall that goes out. You do have ample counter space in this unit. You do have the double sink. You have a stove, an oven. You have all your amenities, full LEDs. These lights are all LED lights, independently powered. It does have nice speakers all the way around. And then as you kind of behind you, you have your dinette, TV, entertainment, your fridge, decent sized fridge in here, and another storage area next to your fridge. Big pantry storage, nice and deep. I don't know why. You go camping, you got to bring a lot of stuff, and you want to eat good and have a lot of food and take care of your friends. So I like a lot of storage in my units. So this has this front bed area, and this is why I call it kind of a couple's coach, because you have your front bed, but you have a curtain to draw for your bedroom. So it's more kind of an open floor plan. It is just a rear bath. It's laid out pretty well. It's comfortable. But as far as this unit or any other units here at Guarantee RV, my name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. Feel free to ask for me anywhere. My phone number is 541-601-8742. I'm more than happy to help. I'm going to show you this piece of inventory, new, used. We have a lot of stuff out here in Guarantee in Junction City, Oregon. Hope you're having a great day.